Hey guys, this is Zaman and welcome back to another new video of PowerPoint School. Today I'll show you how you can get this type of neumorphic effect in PowerPoint. And also you'll get to learn how you can create this exact animated KPI dashboard. I believe after watching this tutorial video, you can easily create this type of other infographics. You can also check this Neumorphic Infographics bundle. I'll provide the link in the description of this video. So without wasting any further time, let's start our today's tutorial. Here you can see I have taken a blank slide and also a few color codes. The first color is for background and shape fill. Next color is the first shadow color and the last color is second shadow color. So let's change the slide background color first. To do that, go to design, click on format background. From here you need to copy this hex code, which is the background color. Then select your slide background. From more color, go to custom. And here you need to paste all the code that you have copied. Then simply press OK. Here we have changed the background color, and keep that in mind. These color settings are very important for the neumorphic effect. Now we need to pick a shape where we can add all the shadow settings. Here I am taking a rounded corner rectangle. From shape outline, select no outline and place it outside of the slide. Then to change its color, what we need to do, simply copy this hex code, which is the background color. Then select this shape again. From shape fill, go to more color option, and here you need to paste all the hex code and press OK. To make another copy, holding Ctrl Shift, drag it to down and it will be duplicated. Now we have two different shapes where we will add two different shadow. So we need to copy this hex code from first shadow color. Then what we need to do, select this first shape, go to effect, from shadow, go to the more color option, go to custom, and here you need to paste the hex code and simply press OK. After adding shadow, we need to make few changes to get the exact look that we want. Here we need to set the transparency 45%, size 100%, blur 15 point, angle 225 degree and distance 12 point. Next, we need to add the second shadow color in the second shape. So I'll just copy the color code and then select the second shape where we will add the shadow. Then from here, go to more color option, go to custom and paste the color code. Then click on OK. Now we need to make few more changes. Set the transparency 45%, keep the size 100%, blur 15 point, angle 45 degree and distance 12 point. So I have set the exact shadow effects that we wanted. One more thing you need to do, select the first shadow color shape, right click on it and select bring to front. Make sure this first shadow color should be at the top of the second shadow color. Now to test the neumorphic effect, I will place a copy of these two shapes on our slide, set the alignment and press Ctrl G to make them a group. So it looks good. So that's how we create the neumorphic effect. Now we can simply delete all these color codes because we don't need them anymore. As we have added all the effects in these two different shapes, we can start creating all the necessary elements for the KPI dashboard. Here I have taken a rounded corner rectangle, holding Ctrl Shift, drag it to right and it will be duplicated. To add the shadow effect, select the first shadow color shape. From home, select Format Painter to copy all the effect and paste it on this shape. Select the second one. From Format Painter, copy all the effects and paste it on this shape. Now what we need to do, select this one, right click on it, select Bring to Front. Holding the Ctrl button, we need to select these two shapes. From Arrange, from Align, we need to select Align Center. Then press Ctrl G to group them together. I will change its size a bit. From here, set height 2.7 and width 6. Then we need to place it over here, holding Ctrl Shift from your keyboard, drag it to upward and it will be duplicated. Change the height 1.8 inch and width 3.7. Then bring it to here, holding Ctrl Shift from your keyboard, drag it to right and it will be duplicated. To change its size, what I'll do, set 1.8 from both sides. You can see we are getting neumorphic effect by making a group of two different shapes with two different shadow colors. So now it's time to add other objects over these neumorphic shapes. For that reason, what we need to do, pick a rounded corner rectangle, drag it over here, increase the roundness, make another copy, select this first shadow color, click on Format Painter to copy all the effects and paste it on this shape. Select the second one, Format Painter, and paste the effect on this second shape. Then holding the Ctrl button, select these two from Align, select Align Middle. Then press Ctrl G to group them together and place it over here. Once again, we need to pick another rounded corner rectangle, drag it over this shape. I'll zoom in, increase the size of this shape from this side, increase the roundness, and make sure you are placing it in the middle of the background shape. Then from Shape Fill, I'll change its color to this. From Shape Outline, select No Outline. Press Ctrl D to make another copy of this rectangle. I'll change its color and then I'll place it over the previous one, and from the right side I'll decrease its size. This time we need to pick an oval shape. Holding Ctrl Shift from your keyboard, drag it over here, place it in the middle, and from Shape Fill I'll pick this color. From Shape Outline, select No Outline. From Shape Effect, I'll set the Offset Center Shadow. Click on this small arrow, go to Effect. From Shadow, I'll set the transparency 80% and blur 10 point. Now what I'll do, I'll pick another oval shape. Holding Ctrl Shift, drag it over here, change its color. From Shape Outline, remove the outline. Holding Ctrl button, select these two. From Align, select Align Center and Align Middle. Then press Ctrl G to group them together. So we have created the first object. Now we can create the second one. For that reason, pick an oval shape, holding Ctrl Shift, drag it over here, make another copy of it. Then we need to select this first shape, go to Home, click on Format Painter to copy all the effect and paste it on this shape. Select the second one, do the same, click on Format Painter to copy and paste it on this shape. Holding the Ctrl button, select these two. From Align, select Align Center and press Ctrl G to group them together. We need to add few other objects on this neumorphic circle. So pick an oval shape again, holding Ctrl Shift, drag it over here. To change its color, from Shape Fill, pick this color. From Shape Outline, select No Outline. Make another copy of it, make a bit smaller than the previous one. I'll set a different color for this small circle. And this time we need to pick another shape, which is the partial circle. Holding Ctrl Shift, drag it over here. Now what I'll do, I'll change its color from Shape Fill, and from Shape Outline, select No Outline. Place it over the smaller circle and increase its size in a way so that these two shapes are same in size. After that, we need to pick another oval shape, holding Ctrl Shift, drag it over here, make it a smaller one. From Shape Fill, change its color, and from Shape Outline, select No Outline. Now what I'll do, select these three. From Align, select Align Center and Align Middle. Then press Ctrl G to group them together. Holding the Ctrl button, select these two. From Align, select Align Center, Align Middle. Now simply press Ctrl G to group them together. Select these two. From Align, select Align Center and Align Middle. This time you need not to make them a group. You just need to place them over here. So our second object is ready. Now let's create the final one. For that reason, we have to pick a top corner rounded rectangle. Drag it over here. Increase the roundness. Holding the Shift key from your keyboard, rotate it and place it over here. You can increase the size from this side a bit. Now I'll change this color from Shape Fill, and from Shape Outline, select No Outline. Now I'll pick another shape, which is this rectangle. Drag it over here. Make sure the size of these two shapes are same, and then change its color and remove the outline. Then we need to take a few more copies of this rectangle. Holding Ctrl Shift, drag it to right, and it will be duplicated. This is very simple. You just need to make sure that they have the same amount of gap among them. After that, to make an arrow, I'll pick this triangle shape, drag it over here, place it here in the middle. Then from Shape Fill, I'll change its color, and from Shape Outline, remove the outline. So finally we have created all the necessary objects that we need. Now we will add some text boxes. So pick a text box, drag it over here. You can add your text. Here I'm using some demo text. Selecting all the text, you need to change the font. I'll change it to Montserrat Extra Bold. Then I'll increase the font size and change the font color to this. Then holding Ctrl Shift, drag this text box to down and it will be duplicated. Selecting all the text, I'll change the font to only Montserrat, decrease the font size, and I'll add some demo text. I'll place it here and increase the size of this text box from this side. Make sure it is in the perfect position. Press Ctrl D to make a copy of these two text boxes. Place it over here. You can change the text, and for this subtext I will increase the font size a bit, and then I'll increase the size of this text box from this side. Select this text box, make another copy of it, bring it to here. I'll add some number, make it center and decrease the font size a bit. Then what we need to do, holding the Ctrl button, I'll select these two, I mean the text box and the triangle, press Ctrl G to group them together. Finally, we have created all the object in one part of our slide. Now we can simply delete these two shapes and then select all of these, holding Ctrl Shift, drag them to the right and it will be duplicated. Press Ctrl A to select all of them and make sure these are in the middle of our slide. Now we need to add few more details. Holding the Ctrl button, I'll select these rectangles, press Ctrl D to make a copy of them. From Shape Fill, change its color and place it over the previous shapes. Simply, we need to do the same. Holding the Ctrl button, select all these shapes, press Ctrl D to make a copy. From Shape Fill, give a different color and place over the previous one. This is a straightforward process. Now we need to add a title and subtitle for this slide. I'll just copy and paste from our previous slide. Finally, we have added all the necessary objects. It seems perfect to me. Here you can see all the data representative shapes are fully editable. You can simply edit them according to your value. Before we start adding the animation, we need to do one more step. Select all these shapes. Holding the Ctrl button, we need to deselect this dark rounded corner rectangle and this group of circle. Then press Ctrl G to group them together, right click on it and select Send to Back. After that, we need to select other objects from this particular section, and from here, holding the Ctrl button, I will deselect these dark rectangles and this group of triangle and text box. Then press Ctrl G to group all the other objects. We are keeping some object independent from the group just because we will add separate animations on them. Here you can see in the same way I'm just grouping them. Right click on it and select Send to Back. In the same way, select all of these. Holding the Ctrl button, you need to deselect these rectangles one by one and this group. Then press Ctrl G to group all the other objects. Now we are completely ready for the animation process. To add the animation, what we need to do, go to the Animation tab, click on Animation pane. From here you can track all your animation status. To add the first animation, select this title text box, select Fly In from Add Animation. From Effect option, select from top. Keep this on click, duration 0.75 second. From Effect option, you need to increase the smooth end and press OK. Select the second text box. From here, select Fly In again. From Effect option, select from top, set Start with Previous, duration 0.50 second. From here, you need to increase the smooth end and press OK. This time, you need to select this particular group. From Add Animation, select Fly In. From Effect option, select from bottom, set Start with Previous, duration 0.75 second. From Effect option, increase the smooth end and press OK. Select this second group. To add the animation, from Add Animation, select Fly In. From here, set Start with Previous, duration 0.75 second. Go to Effect option. From here, you need to increase the smooth end to the max level. Press OK. Select this particular group. From Add Animation, we need to select Fly In again. From Effect option, select from left. Set Start with Previous, duration 0.75 second. From Effect option, increase the smooth end and press OK. We need to do the same. Select this particular group from add animation, select fly in, from effect option, select from left, set start with previous, duration 0.75 second, increase delay 0.25 second. From effect option, increase the smooth end and press OK. Again, for this particular group, from add animation, select fly in, from effect option, select from right, set start with previous, duration 0.75 second, and this time you need to remove the delay. From effect option, increase the smooth end, press OK. Select this group from add animation, again select fly in, from effect option, select from right, set start with previous, duration 0.75 second and delay 0.25 second. In the same way, you need to increase the smooth end and press OK. As we are using the same type of animations, you can use the animation painter tool to copy and paste the animation, but for teaching purpose, I'm not doing that. So now to add the animation, I'll select this particular rectangle, and from add animation, I'll select fade. Set start on click, duration 0.50 seconds, select the second one, do the same, select fade animation, set start with previous, duration 0.50 second, and increase the delay 0.25 second. Select the third rectangle, from add animation, select fade again, set start with previous, duration 0.50 second and increase the delay 0.25 second more. Now select this group of object, from add animation, select fly in, from effect option, select from left, set start with previous, duration 1 second and make the delay 0. From effect option, you need to increase the smooth end and press OK. We need to do the same on this side. Select this particular shape, from add animation, select fade, set start with previous, and then select the second shape. Do the same, from add animation, select fade, set start with previous, duration 0.50 second, increase the delay 0.25 second. Select the third one, from add animation, select fade, set the animation time start with previous, duration 0.50 second, increase the delay 0.50 second. Select the last one, from add animation, select fade once again, set the animation time start with previous, duration 0.50 second, increase the delay 0.25 second more. Select this group of objects, select fly in for this one, from effect options, select from right, set start with previous, duration 1 second and delay 0.25 second. Then from here we need to increase the smooth end to its max level and press OK. This time we need to select this circle which has the neumorphic effect to add the animation on it. From add animation, go to more entrance effect, and from here I'll select spinner and press OK. Set the animation time start with previous, duration 0.75 second and increase the delay 0.75 second. Select this group, from add animation, go to more entrance effect, again select spinner and press OK. Set the animation time start with previous, duration 0.75 second, delay 0.85 second. In the exact same way, we need to add the animation over here. Select this group first, go to more entrance effect, select spinner and press OK. From here, set the animation time start with previous, duration 0.75 second, select this group, from add animation, go to more entrance effect, select spinner again, press OK, set start with previous, duration 0.75 second and delay 0.95 second. Now if you want, you can play the animation from this animation pane, and you can see we are going good so far. So we are left with only two different objects, but first what we need to do, select this group of circle holding the shift key, drag it to the left and place it here. Do the same, select this one holding shift key, drag it to the left and place over here. Now to add the animation, first select this group of circle, from add animation, select fade, from here set start with previous, duration 0.50 second and delay 0.65 second. Select this group of circle again, we will add another animation. So from add animation, select lines, from effect option, select right, drag this red arrow over here, then set the animation time start with previous, duration 0.75 second and delay 1 second. After that, what we need to do, select this rounded corner rectangle. To add the animation, from add animation, select wipe. From effect option, select from left, set start with previous, duration 0.75 second. Select this particular group of circle. From add animation, select fade. From here, set start with previous, set the delay 0.65 second. Select this group of circle again. We'll add another animation. From add animation, select lines, and from effect option, select right. Then holding the shift key, drag this red arrow to the left, place over here, set start with previous, duration 0.75 second and delay 1 second. Select this rounded corner rectangle. From add animation, select wipe. From effect option, select from left, set start with previous, duration 0.75 second. And we are done. You can play the animation from here and you can see everything is working as expected. I hope you have enjoyed this video. With the same learning, you can create other types of infographics. This is one of our premium templates. With this Neumorphic PowerPoint infographics bundle, we are providing 265 unique presentation slides. And these are fully animated with very professional look. For more details, please visit our website thisslideflix.com, or I'll provide the link in the description of this video. So that's all for today. Make sure to give a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video and thanks for watching.